Okay guys, today I'm going to show you one of the best ways to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing. But I have to say that this method is a bit complicated, okay? But nothing terrible, okay? So what you need to do, you need to identify what kind of problem people have, and then you need to create a Google Chrome extension that will help people to solve that problem. So for example, when we come here on Amazon and when we search some specific product, we will see that there is a lots and lots of products here that are available, but which one do you choose? Okay, that is the problem. So when you come here you can sort this by price low to high, high to low, average customer review, newest arrival, and best seller. But which of these products is actually the best? So what you can do, you can create a Google Chrome extension that will help people to choose the best product. Okay, so what you can do, you can simply come here on ChatGPT, and then here you can give it a prompt. You can say something like this: create a detailed and precise prompt for a Google Chrome extension that compares price and ratings on Amazon and finds the best product and adds my Amazon affiliate link, and then press enter. Okay, so now ChatGPT will create this prompt. It will not create yet that extension, it will create just prompt. And here you can see it is creating a very detailed prompt. Okay, just give it a few seconds to finish. And ChatGPT finished generating this prompt, and this is how this prompt looks. As you can see, it is very detailed. So what I need to do next? I need to tell it to make this Google Chrome extension. So I will simply say something like this: make this extension, and then press enter. And now ChatGPT will start making this extension. But so what I need to do, I will actually copy this prompt here and I will paste it on DeepSeek and Google Gemini. And actually DeepSeek usually give me better results with this kind of stuff. So I will simply copy this prompt here. Let me just copy this prompt and Control C, and I will go on DeepSeek and I will click here on Start Now and I will paste that here, press enter. And also I will go here on Google Gemini and do exactly the same thing, press enter, just to see which of these will give me better results. And ChatGPT finished writing this code. Here you can see how this code looks. It's actually made from few parts, as you can see here. Okay, so let's just see what Google Gemini did. Did they actually finished? Here you can see they actually gave me two choices, choice A and choice B. So I can choose between these two choices. That is really good, okay? And here you can see choice A is, it looks better. So let's just see what DeepSeek did. Actually, it's still writing this code. Usually, like I said, I'm getting better results with DeepSeek than with ChatGPT or Google Gemini. So when you click here on Run, for example, here you can see how this looks. Now, usually I would give it more details to make this look much better, but this actually looks good. And here I need to add my Amazon affiliate ID, okay? And when someone actually clicks on one of those products and buys that product, I will earn an Amazon affiliate commission. So let me just close this. So what you need to do, you need to download each of these parts here. Maybe ChatGPT is actually clearly to see, okay, but it's more viewable. So what you need to do, let me just go back here on top to find all the parts. So let me just go here. As you can see, DeepSeek is actually giving a really detailed code, okay? So what I need to do, I simply need to click here on download, okay? And I downloaded this on my computer, and I need to download this also, okay? And I need to download this part here. I will also download this, and I need to download all of these parts that these AIs actually created for me. So let me just find another part. Okay, I will click here on download, and I need part number 5, and this is number 5. So next thing you need to do, you need to open that folder where you saved all 5 files. As you can see, this is the folder, but I'm not done yet. I actually need to go back here on ChatGPT and I need to give it a new prompt because I need another thing. So I will say something like this: give me idea for icon/logo for this Chrome extension, and then press enter, because you are actually going to need a logo. So here you can see it is giving me idea for this logo. They actually gave me two ideas, so I will actually go with the first one. Okay, so I will simply copy this, okay, and I will say make this logo, okay, and press enter. And now ChatGPT will create this logo for me. Just give it a few seconds, and I will actually go here on Google Gemini, click here on create image, and I will give it the same prompt, okay, just to see which of these two AIs will give me better results. So let's just see what ChatGPT did. It's still working, okay, and here you can see they are actually creating this logo. And let's see what, okay, this is what Google Nano Banana did. Let's just see what, okay, this actually looks better to me, okay? So what you need to do, you need to click here and you need to download this as well. That is really important. You need a logo or an icon for this purpose, okay? So what I will do, I will simply go here, click on downloads, and I'm going to cut this, and I will go back here, and I'm going to paste that here, okay? So what you need to do now, you need to go back here, you need to right click here, and then you need to click here on compress, and then choose zip file, okay? And now you will create a zip file. That is really important. So what you need to do next, you need to go on Google and you need to type Google Chrome developers. Press enter, and you need to click here on extensions, okay? And you need to click here on start building, and you need to log in, build your extension, click here, and you need to log in with your Gmail account, and you need to pay a $5 fee, and you need to upload your file that you created, your zipped file. You need to upload it on Google Chrome developers for extensions. That is really important, and you can find a lots of tutorials on YouTube on how to upload your extension on Google Play Store, okay? So after that, all you have to do, you just need to start promoting your Google Chrome extensions. The more people use your extension, the more people will actually click on your affiliate link. And if they buy that product, you will earn an affiliate commission. As we saw, this extension that we created will add our Amazon affiliate ID on every product that these people search. So no matter what they search, if they buy that product, we are going to earn an affiliate commission. Now, this method gives really good results, but it is a bit complicated and it does take some time, and you need to do some good promotions for your Google Chrome extension, but you can make money with Amazon affiliate marketing and Google Chrome extensions. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.